Hey everybody, Brian Eslick here from How to Automotive. Today I got a product review for you guys. When I do these product reviews, I design these to help you guys, and I only do product reviews that are going to benefit you guys. And today I got a socket rail holder, a magnetic socket rail holder by VIM Tools. I've been using these for a couple years now, and these have saved me a ton of space and time and helped me keep organized. So I'm going to show you some video clips of how you can set these up, what these can do for you, how strong these are, everything you need to know about VMI socket holders. So in the next few clips, I'll show you that. So you can get these magnetic socket rails in an assortment of sizes and shapes. This set here is the 3 rails that's mounted onto the metal plate that you can carry around and make it portable. So you can mount these socket rails onto this metal plate, and you can pick the plate up as a whole and run off to your job site or throw it in your toolbox, whatever you need to do. And the part number on this is MRT RAY 14. I will link this up in the description. So like I said, they come in an assortment of shapes and sizes of these, and I've been using these for a couple of years. You can see my roll cart here has quite a few sets of these on here. One of the cool things that I think will help you guys out is the ability to customize it and use them in all different ways. They come with all these little the 3/8, ½ inch, and 1/4 inch adapters that you can slide onto the rails, and you can adjust them in any way, and you can mix and match the ½ inch, the 3/8, and the 1/4 adapters that come in the kit. So you'll just screw them open a little bit, and you'll slide them down the rail like this into the channel, and then you can put them into the position where you want them, and you tighten them up, and that locks those into place. Now they won't slide left or right, and then you can put your socket on there so that you can create custom gaps and stuff, whatever you want to do with the socket holders. So as you can see on my roll cart here, I got a mix of ½ inch drive, 3/8, 1/4 inch, wobbly sockets, you name it. These are all my most commonly used sockets, so I have them right here on my roll cart. And having them here makes me more efficient, so I can get to those sockets right away and get the jobs banged out. Also, if any one of the sockets are missing, you can tell right away because there would be a gap. So the reason why you would want to invest in a socket system like this is because a lot of the tools we get nowadays come in these blow molded cases, and they're very nice, and they keep your tools very organized. But if you look at the size of the case, it takes up a tremendous amount of room. So when you open your drawers up, your drawers are mostly filled up with these blow molded cases. And if you were to take all these sockets out of these cases and then put them on these rails, you could probably fill up about 1/4 of this drawer here, and have all that extra room. So you may be wondering, how well do they hold up on the magnets? So I'm shaking the heck out of this door here, and none of the sockets are moving or falling off. So that's why they're perfect for a roll cart situation, where you could roll your cart around and not worry about the sockets falling off the magnetic rails. So one of my favorite parts about it, or benefits and features, is the ability to customize it. So I have all my 1/4 inch Allen sockets here. Now I'm setting up my inverted Torx here. And this socket set has a combination of 3/8 and 1/4 inch sockets in the set. So I'm able to customize this and create my own gaps the way I like it. So you can combine multiple sets together. So if you're doing custom work or certain type of vehicles or certain brands that use certain sockets and stuff, you can have those all customized right there on your roll cart or wherever you like it. So as you can see here, I got all the sockets set up, and these are my most commonly used sockets that I use on a regular basis. So I'm going to add these to my roll cart. So you could add these just about anywhere. You can add them sideways, you can hang them upside down, and the sockets will stay. They're super strong. So when you install these, they're pretty much set in their position where they're going to stay, and they're a little on the difficult to maneuver and rotate them around. If you see here, I added it to my roll cart. I also wanted to point out to you that if you add them to your roll cart, you want to put a little something to hold the door open. And you add these sockets, it tends to fall. So I have something to hold it open. So you can see here how much room it saves by taking them out of those cases and put them on the rail. I'm Brian Eslick from How to Automotive. I hope you find that these tools are beneficial to you. I will link them up in the description of the video. For more valuable videos like this, be sure to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website and be sure to subscribe. Thank you again for watching.